What did you guys get?
Did you get a doctor bag? Here. Let's take this off.
Teddy, what did you get?
This comes off, right?
Yeah. Did you get a doctor kit, Teddy? Actually, I think that was Nora's.
Yeah,
I think Nora's opening Teddy's oven.
I think it was.
Teddy, what does Nora have?
You're not discriminating?
No. Nora, are you going to move on? There's more presents to open. Or have you had enough of Santa? Oh, you're still working on the paper. Okay. Teddy, what does Daddy have?
Put it in there. Put it in there. Good girl.
Good girl.
Good job, baby.